Hello students, how are you all? All are fine? Yes, very good. Good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to our online class. Myself Shraddha Miss and I will teach you general knowledge. Okay. Today we are going to start our new lesson number 10, money bag. Okay. This is our new lesson number 10, money bag. Okay. First of all, tell me, what is money? Money is whatever we exchange for goods and services that we buy. Okay? What is money? Money is whatever we exchange for goods and services that we buy. Okay? Why do we need money? Money is needed for basic survival. Everyone needs money. If we don't have money, we cannot afford basic necessities such as accommodation, food and clothing. Although money cannot directly buy us health, it can be used to improve our health, right? We need money to eat, sleep, rest, work, play, relax, heal, move about and enjoy comfort. Money is needed for medical service, education, to pay bills and tax, shopping and entertainment. Right? So now, first of all, take out your notebook or textbook and pencil should be ready, right? Okay, if you don't have textbook, so don't worry, just write down in your notebook, okay? So, let us start our lesson. First question is, take the correct answer. First question is, in the past, people did not use money. They bought goods in exchange for other goods. What was this system called? In the past, people did not use money. They bought goods in exchange for other goods. What was this system called? Options are A. Barter system, and option B, exchange system. It's hard to imagine our world without money, isn't it? A long time ago, there were no coins. There was no such things as money. Before money was invented, people had to get their food, clothing, and other needs by trading things. So, what was called this system? Answer is Barter system. B-A-R-T-E-R, barter system. S-Y-S-T-E-M, barter system. B-A-R-T-E-R, barter system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. What is the meaning of barter system? Bartering is a system of exchange of some goods with other goods. Bartering is system of exchange some goods with other goods, right? Where no money is involved. Okay. Now our next question is, whose signature do you see on an Indian 10 rupee note? I'll repeat the question. Whose signature do you see on an Indian 10 rupee note? Options are A. President of India. Option B. Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Look at a 10 rupee note and see whose signature do you see on an Indian 10 rupee note. Answer is Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Who is our governor? Dr. Urjit R. Patel. Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. G-O-V-E-R-N-O-R, Governor of the Reserve. R-E-S-E-R-V-E, Reserve Bank, B-A-N-K, Bank of India, I-N-D-I-A. Our next question is, third question is, what do we call a place where coins are made under state authority? Right? What do we call a place where coins are made under state authority? Options are option A, coin facility, and option B, mint. Answer is option B, mint. M-I-N-T, mint, M-I-N-T. A mint is a primary producer of a country's coin currency, and it has the consent of the government of manufacture coins to be used as legal tender. A mint is an industrial facility which manufactures coins that can be used as currency. Our last question, question number 4. What is the study of coins and medals called? Options are option A, numismatics, and option B, coinology. And right answer is option A, numismatics. NUMISMATICS. Numismatics is the study or collection of currency, including coins, medals, tokens, paper money, and related objects. Now our next question, question B. Choose the correct options from the box and write the currencies of the following country. Okay? What is importance of money? Money is an essential commodity that helps you run your life. Exchanging goods for goods is an older practice, and without any money you can't buy anything you wish, right? Money has gained its value because people are trying to save wealth for their future needs, right? Money can be defined as anything that people use to buy goods and services. Money is what many people receive for selling their own things or services. Most countries have their own kind of money, such as the United States dollar or British pound, and etc. Money is also called many other names like currency or cash. So let's see currencies of the countries, right? Our first country is Russia. Just write down in your notebook with good handwriting, okay? Russia. ROUBLE. Russia's currency is ruble. ROUBLE. Ruble. These are paper currency, right? Russia's currency ruble, 1000 ruble, 500 ruble, 100 ruble, 50 ruble and 10 ruble. Okay. Our next country is Japan. Japan currency is yen. YEN, yen. YEN, yen. These are paper currency and these are coin currency, right? These are 1000 yen, okay. Japan's currency is yen. Our next country is United Kingdom. UK. UK's currency is pound sterling. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. Okay. Pound sterling. POUND pound sterling. STERLING pound sterling. United Kingdom currency is pound sterling, 20 pounds. Okay. Now our next country is Brazil. Brazil's currency is real. Okay. REAL, real. REAL, real. These are paper currency. Okay. 50 real, 100 real. Okay. Brazil's currency is real. Our next country is United States of America. America's currency is dollar. USA's currency is dollar. DOLLAR, dollar. DOLLAR, dollar. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. $1, $5 and $20, right? These are dollars. Okay. Our next country is Indonesia. Indonesia's currency is rupiah. RUPIAH, rupiah. RUPIAH. Here paper currency and these are coin currency. Okay. 10,000 rupiah, 20,000 rupiah, 50,000 rupiah and 1 lakh rupiah, right? Indonesia's currency is rupiah. Our next country is Poland. Poland's currency is zloty. ZLOTY, zloty. ZLOTY, zloty. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. Okay. Poland's currency is zloty. 50 zloty, 100 zloty, here 20 zloty, 1 zloty, 2 zloty. Okay. Our next country is Myanmar. Myanmar's currency is kyat. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. Okay. 100 kyat, Myanmar's currency is kyat. KYAT, kyat, KYAT. Our next country is Republic of South Africa. South Africa's currency is rand, 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 rand. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. 100 rand, 20 rand, 50 rand. Here 10 rand, 50 rand, 2 rands, right? So Republic of South Africa's currency is rand. Our next country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh currency is taka, 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 taka. These are paper currency. 500 takas, 100 takas here. Okay. Bangladesh currency is taka. Our next country is China. China's currency is yuan, 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 yuan. China's currency is yuan. Here paper currency and these are coin currency. 100 yuans, 500 yuans and 1000 yuans, right? China's currency is yuan. Okay. Our next country is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's currency is Riyal, 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 Riyal. These are paper currency and these are coins. Here 500 riyals, right? Saudi Arabia's currency is riyals. Our next country is our country, India. India's currency is rupee, 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 rupee. There are paper currency, 50 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees and 2000 rupees, right? These are Indian rupees. Okay. India's currency is rupees. Our next country, Pakistan. Pakistan is also our neighbor country, right? And Pakistan's currency is Pakistani rupee. PAKISTANI, Pakistani rupee, RUPEE, Pakistani rupee. These are paper currency, Pakistani rupee, right? 50 rupees, 100 rupees and 500 rupees, and here 1000 rupees. These all are Pakistani rupees. Okay. Our next country is Afghanistan. Afghanistan's currency is Afghani. AFGHAN, Afghani, AFGHANI, Afghani. These are Afghanistan's currency, Afghani, 10 Afghani rupee. Okay. Our next country is Nepal. It also our neighbor country, right? Afghanistan also our neighbor country, right? Nepal's currency is Nepalese rupee. Nepalese, Nepalese rupee. RUPEE, Nepalese rupee. These are paper currency and here coin currency, right? 10 rupee, 20 rupees, 50 rupees. These all are Nepalese rupees. Okay. Next country is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's currency is Sri Lankan rupee. SRI, Sri Lankan. LANKAN, Lankan rupee. RUPEE, Sri Lankan rupees. These are paper currency, Sri Lankan rupees. 20 rupees, 50 rupees and 100 rupees, right? These all are Sri Lankan rupees. Okay. Now our next country, Kuwait. Kuwait currency is dinar. These are Kuwait currency, dinars, right? DINAR, dinars. DINAR, dinars. These are 20 dinars, 10 dinars. An oil-rich country located in the Middle East, Kuwait has the highest valued currency in the world currently, right? The currency is called Kuwait dinar. Okay. Our next country is Italy. Italy's currency is euro. EURO, euro. EURO, euro. These are paper currency and these are coin currency. Okay. Here 5 euros, 10 euros, 20 euros, 50 euros, 100 euros, 200 euros and 500 euros. In coin currency, 2 euros, 20 euros, 50 euros, 10 euros, right? Italy's currency is euros. Our next country is Mexico. Mexico's currency is peso. PESO, peso. PESO, peso. Right? These are paper currency and these are coin currency. Here 50 pesos, 20 pesos, 5 pesos, right? Mexico's currency is pesos. So, today we are complete our lesson number 10, the money bag. Okay. Now, see you in our next lecture. Bye bye students. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone.